Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Your device must run iOS 15 to 17 and have at least 2 GB free. Once confirmed, prepare a Mac or PC with Xcode or AltStore installed and sign in with your Apple ID. This is required for sideloading. Next, obtain the June 2025 Delta IPA from a reputable source and place it where your sideload tool can access it. Do these steps now so you can move straight into installation without delays. You'll now install and sign Delta. If you use AltStore, connect the device and refresh your account, choose the Delta IPA and start sideloading. If you use Xcode, create a simple project, set your team with your Apple ID, and install the IPA via devices and simulators. Make sure to re-sign using your personal profile. Note that free Apple ID require re-signing every 7 days, so schedule that. Also enable entitlements like network and file access, so the emulator function. Finish by configuring Delta settings, adjust BIOS, performance profiles, and controller mappings, then test with a small ROM to validate stability. If the app crashes on launch, revoke the certificate in your Apple ID settings, re-sign the IPA, reinstall, and reboot the device. This fixes most signing conflicts. Also, export save files to cloud or local storage so you don't lose progress during reinstalls. Finally, make sure to refresh your provisioning before the 7-day expiry to avoid unexpected failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.